Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 6 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School this week, as you can see from some of the pictures in the connection. We do want to take a moment and shout out to our cross-country team. You can see that their picture is here in the connection. They competed in their very first race at the Mason County Invitational this week, so congratulations to some of our students who participate in cross country. Can't wait to see what you guys do for the rest of your season. We also would like to remind parents that this week is open house. Open house is going to be on Wednesday, and we are going to have our prayer at the pole. That is something that we also did last year. This will be on September the 28th, and it will start at 7 a.m. in the morning. As long as the weather permits, we will meet in the front yard at the pole, and we will have a short prayer, and then we will get started for the day. So other things that are ongoing this week, we do have an admin team meeting on Monday at 8. Girls basketball will be at Augusta. On Tuesday, it is high attendance day, and we do have several things going on the teams on that day. So parents, please make sure students are in attendance on this day. There is some reward for the school in the region that has the highest attendance, so we are hoping to be able to snag that for this year. I know 7th graders on this day are doing a day of service in the park, and girls basketball is away at East Carter. Like I mentioned a few minutes ago, Simons Middle School open house is going to be from 5:30 to 6:30 on Wednesday. Thursday, our SMS dental van will visit. We will also be having a Safe Schools audit. It's Miss Perkins' birthday, so happy birthday to Mrs. Perkins. And football is away on Thursday at Morgan County. Of course, Friday is Bring It Friday, as is every Friday. And we do have a couple other schools in the district that are having some open houses. I know Ward Elementary was having one on Tuesday this week. And on Friday, Hillsboro is having a BPI and movie night this week. So we do want to take a moment and shout out to our student spotlight for this week. We did have several of our SMS students that participated in the annual show and sale. So we wanted to just take a moment and shout out to them. The students that you see in this picture put in countless hours all year long training, grooming, and caring for their livestock animals. A lot of them travel to fairs and other shows throughout the year. They were also blessed with the generous community support and together earned nearly $40,000 at the show and sale. So congratulations to these students. Lane Moran, Isaac Harris, Branson Hawkins, Jet Martin, Ava Bowling, Autumn Maynard, Chloe Wright, Braden Emmons, Maggie McGlone, Tori Robinson, Sadie Trainbarger, Mackenzie McGlone, and Skylar Carpenter. I do want to also shout out to Maggie McGlone and Ava Bowling. They were spotlighted or recognized for their record books in their respective divisions. So congratulations, SMS students. I know that you guys have put in a lot of hard work to prepare for the show and sale. So congratulations and thank you for bringing it. The Achieve 3000 leaderboard for this week. We would like to congratulate on Monday, Logan Preston. Tuesday, Isabella Stacy. Wednesday, Tyler Willoughby. Thursday, Reagan Guzman. Friday, Wyatt Hamilton. Our weekly top scorer this week was Tyler Willoughby. And the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Tyler Willoughby with 4 and Abigail Smithers with 3. So congratulations, students. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.